guys, so this is how it's looking so far. In here I'm organizing a lot of the things just to make it easier for my mom and also for us to not have everything here. So I'm kind of organizing it in here because this won't really move while we're driving. But yeah, we are gonna go camping.
Okay, so guys,
we do have storage under the bed, so we're putting out a lot of the things under the bed to put more storage. And look at all the pillows. We just put them here because if you guys don't know, I don't know if I've ever showed you guys like on my channel, but if you guys want to see more on the family channel, I'm pretty sure we have videos. This couch turns into a bed, and then these two couches go into a big old queen size bed, I think, or bigger, maybe a king size bed, I forgot. But it's a pretty big bed. We all sleep here. My dad sleeps there. Then Ashley and my mom usually sleep there. 3 people can fit in the bed. It's a full-size bed too. And yeah,
I like this.
We are now situated. We're leaving the house. We have the toy hauler in the back somewhere. Everybody in the house. We are just leaving the house right now. We're gonna check in, get situated, and now vlog a little bit. Finish off the vlog, putting everything, dusting off everything. I had already done that, but the girls took some sand in there, so I'm just gonna sweep and mop when we get over there and get situated. But everything else is clean, like the towels and all of that. So yeah, guys, I'll show you guys once we get there.
Oh, they got a trailer program?
What? Trailer rental. All right, guys, so we are now here at the campsite. We're getting situated. We put all the bags of food under the bed. That way with the movement, they won't go all over the house, the trailer. So Aliyah's fixing up some stuff in the little fridge. She's putting like all the chile, ketchup, and salad stuff in there. We have some yogurts in there, bacon, and we're gonna put most of the stuff in there. I'll show you guys when it's all situated. We got queso, we got some cookies and pizza stuff. Yeah, I'll put the stuff in the freezer right now. We brought some nuggets for Miss Ashley. We brought some keto bars here.
She saw the nuggets, she doesn't want.
Okay, and we got soy milk. Those go in the bottom.
sparkling.
Some sparkling, some wine for Mommy and Daddy. And then there's Ashley right there. She's having some snacks.
She had a whole bag
This is for the
of
freezer.
Of Cheez-Its. Okay. We're getting situated, guys. And this is how it looks right now. I'll show you guys once we put everything away. I brought my comal to make some pupusas out here. And yeah, we have some Valentine's Day decor. We have the little RV here. And then we have a little troquita right there, guys. Super cute.
Do you want to keep it in here or put them separate?
Good morning, everyone. I did not vlog yesterday because we were fixing everything and there's a mess all over again. But I'm not sure if you guys seen.
I vlogged for you.
Yeah?
I was organizing a little,
Oh, okay, cool.
but it's like a 2-minute video.
Okay, so all the girls, those 2 seats, it's like a booth type of deal. They put the table in the middle, so it becomes to like a king size bed type of deal. So they all slept there. My niece is here too. There's Miss Little Ashley Patashi. She already had her yogurt for breakfast. She slept in her room over there. But we're getting situated here. I have breakfast going on. Some sausages and some huevitos right there. So we'll vlog throughout this day. This is the first night and next morning, guys. Getting ready to go for a walk, but it looks like if it's sprinkling out there. But we have our hoodies, and I believe we have an umbrella in the truck somewhere. Ashley wants to go. We already had breakfast. You guys saw earlier. It's the afternoon. It's 3.
I'm going to the truck so that I can get on this because the only.
If you need a sweater, Missy, look.
Yeah, I know. It's
You're too
because-
sexy.
No.
Yeah, so we're gonna just take the camera just in case we find a good area to take pictures of the girls. You guys will come along with us. All right, guys, such a beautiful day out here. really, really pretty. It's like a foggy type of deal, but it's really cold. But cool. Still. Yeah, so we're gonna go around. There's a lot of campers out here. It is a 3-day weekend. Oh yeah, that's what I saw last night, a little tree. Oh.
That's on, I saw it on Instagram.
You did?
Yeah.
Ah. Yeah, but this is a campground. It looks really, really pretty out here.
I'll fly my drone, but with this wind, I'm pushing away.
Oh yeah, we brought the drone, but
Walk, fool.
it's kind of windy. So cute. Look at the lake. It's beautiful. Alicia. Cuckoo. The lake is beautiful.
Wasn't this the one you got?
So cute.
This one.
There's Miss Little Ash Potash.
I was over there by where we were
Look
camping.
at her. She was dying to come out
Wait,
here.
didn't you say it had lakeside view?
Ahorita nos prende la lumbre para estar allá afuera, ¿no? Pues ya me paré todo el día adentro. We were in there because he went to town to get some stuff for the RV, so we were in there like all morning, you know.
They stopped bumping into me.
Cuckoo. Stay on your lane, girl. Uh-huh. ¿A poco?
Really small.
¿Dónde estamos? ¿Dónde estamos?
Right there, hold on. Until you pass.
Wow. This is so pretty. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful as you walk, like como que se quita el frío.
That one kind of looks nice.
There's Chabeller and Alicia in the front. Achi Patashi having a ball. That's all she wanted. She wanted to be out in the nature. Aliyah, Alizé, Mr. G in the back, and Mama Bear, of course. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. ¿Qué se oye? ¡Ah! Ay, hay muchos hoyos, eh? Be careful, girls. Alicia, don't get so close. Oh, Dad can take pictures of you girls right here. You want to take pictures right here?
What if I go too far?
Alicia. Oh, the
We should throw sticks.
Hey, the girls walk like they forgot their snakes on.
What?
The girls walk everywhere like they forgot their snakes on.
Oh, there is. There's snakes.
Oh,
Last
yeah,
time
I
we
saw
seen one, remember? Oh my god, it's so pretty. Boomerangs, hello.
Aliyah just had me.
Just add me.
And she, oh no, she wants me to take off her seatbelt. Daddy taking pictures. Fix your hair a little bit, Alizé. Like, I would love to get Ashley out of there, but
Wait, where are we?
I will not risk it. She's looking like, hey.
They look cute. Oh, my neck popped as
See.
soon as I went like that to take a
I was
picture.
like, hurry up.
All right, guys, we took some family pics. Let's see how they came out because it's super windy out here. The girls, Mr. G. Ay, ya se me va a meter el pie a un hoyo. Yeah, so we're gonna go start the grill, Mr. G. We're gonna make some ribs. Really, really yummy. And then Grandma sent some rice. She's gonna come right now with my sister, and the other grandma is gonna come, and like in the evening, after work, she's gonna drive over here.
Today, actually, yeah.
Yeah, later on today. Yep. So you guys will get to see the whole family bargain. Okay, guys. So Mr. G's gonna start up the fire for us. We got Miss Little Ashley right here.
It's so much warmer over here.
Hey, girl. There's Alicia and Chabeller. What was the spot you were talking about, Alicia?
So guys, I found a seashell. It's like this.
Okay.
And then from the inside it has like a narwhal leaf.
Oh, that's cute, Mama. Where'd you find it?
It was right there next to the ocean.
Oh, kissy, Mama.
That's not a rock, that's wood.
It's a nice vlog.
We'll throw it in the fire right now.
All right, kiddos, we're right here. Daddy preparing the ribs. Got some in the grill already. Mrs. Sleepy right here. We're just out here hanging out
like,
before it gets
Aliyah,
dark.
she's
Because
like,
when it's dark, I don't like to be out here. Daddy alert. We got Grandma in the house. Sissy, Alizé, and Mrs. Ashley Patachi. Nice and warm, huh, Mama?
My hair's
Drinking some wine here. So yummy. Mira la grandma bien peda ya. All right, we're gonna be out here chilling for a little bit. This is day 2, you could say. Yeah, because we got here yesterday and then we spent the night, and then today is the next day. So this is day 2, guys. Really, really nice and chill. Camping in our trailita back there somewhere. Perfect. If you guys are thinking about buying an RV, it's so well worth it. Like, you don't have to, like, you know, sleep in the floor. Que te vaya a picar una víbora. It's like so worth it, guys. Like, bien a gusto. Alright, guys, so Mr. G is going to open this Kirkland signature bottle of wine. Really, really good. We tried it in Christmas, I think it was.
Alizé, come here. I'll give you $50 if you take it in the stomach.
No.
$50.
You're so annoying. Why
Take
would
it in
you?
the stomach. You? No. 50? You know what hurts more? My nerve than this. Come on. $50. $50?
Grandma's already all
Take the
drunk.
$50.
She drank all that bottle
If
by
he hits you in the
herself.
stomach with it.
No. No, diga, let me do it. You can take it, me va a rebotar, me va a pegar a mí.
How far do I have? Can I
Right
be a
here.
little farther?
No, because if you go, the farther you go, it's gonna
That's 50. No, it's not gonna hurt.
$50?
Hurts more because it's a lot of pressure. That's not a lot of pressure.
That is a lot of pressure.
No, Aliyah, $50.
hurry up.
Wait.
Ay, ¿sí será capaz?
A ver si los trae los $50.
You know.
Mira la cobija, la vas a quemar.
And take off the sweater. Pick it up. No, not your sweater, it's just a jacket. And the cobija.
Oh, I'm cold.
All right, but I gotta go lower then. Right here.
Uy, le vas a pegar en el rabo.
Hey, you better take it because it's not gonna be no 50 for free, fool. So move. Get closer. Hey, stand forward.
Que no te va a dar en la cara, Aliyah.
Se está poniendo de ladito.
Then move. Turn. I can't see you turn.
Oh, that didn't hurt. Where's my money?
¿Lo trae?
It's a $50 coupon from Dollar Tree.
No. Where's my money? I risked my life.
Mira nomás.
Salud.
Salud, dinero y amor.
Salud, dinero y
Para el 2022.
2022.
Mira, ya anda peda. No, not for you, Cherry. You already had a Capri Sun, girl. This is mommy drink, girl. Alright, guys, so we are now leaving. This is the 4th day and final. There was trailers everywhere, but they hooked up this morning and left. But last view of the whole campground, really, really pretty. They have everyone in the back. And Daddy's hooking up the trailer back there somewhere. Yeah, he's hooking it up.